Only 150 miles away from the Oregon coast. Onward Bound.
Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low?
Hey everyone, Asha here from Pandamonium. We actually made it to the Oregon coast. Awesome. Let's go explore around. We're here at Seal Rock at the tide pools. Here's some of the tide pools, but I don't really see much in them. Just seaweed. Come, Moo-moo. Well, I thought I seen him moving there. He stayed still and I couldn't tell where he was. Oh, there's a sea anemone. It is hard to see that word. I found a sea anemone. Is it anemone? 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 Little fishy swimming around. So, these are deeper tide pools here. Look at that, that's cool. Ooh, another one. Isn't that beautiful? This one looks like a perfect bathing tub if you don't mind all the seaweed. Right, Moo-moo? Oh wow, look at all the water flowing back into the ocean. That's awesome. Seagrass. Seagrass. That's cool. Wow, look at all the clam shells. That is a lot. Clams, anyone? You have to be careful walking on the seagrass. It's pretty slippery. Wow, look at that view. Isn't that stunning? So I think we're just gonna sit and enjoy this awesome view.
We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
Okay, well the tide is coming in. There's Jimmy. So I guess I better get off this rock before we get stuck on it. That tide is coming in. Alright, let's get to shore. Ooh. There's Terry and Scott. Moo-moo, you made it. It's a long time. It's your seaweed. Get it. Get it. Oh, you got it. Get it, Moo-moo. Get it. Get it. It's my seaweed. Get it, Moo-moo. Get it. Get it. Get it. You gotta do it around in circles. Get it. Get it. Like around her body. Yeah. Oh. So for all you new subscribers out there, if you don't know, Moo-moo's favorite thing is the beach. She loves it. She loves the beach, but she doesn't like water too much. Although at the beach she doesn't care because the water's pretty shallow in certain spots and then she can jump away from the waves. At a lake, it just kind of gets deep pretty quickly, so she prefers the ocean. Don't you, Moo-moo? It's a sea monster! Oh, she tore the sea monster apart. It's a sea monster! Moo-moo, come get the sea monster! Yeah, it's gonna get you. Gonna get you. Get it. Get the sea monster. Look at all the seagulls on Seal Rock. There's a bunch up there. Oh, look how black the water is over here. That is disgusting. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff floating in it, that's why. Ugh. And it's right here at this cove, the bend of the cove. We're right on the side of Seal Rock. Huge, isn't it? And there are some tide pools over here as well. Ooh, yeah, the tide is definitely coming in. Aw. Dead crabs. Gross. Crab. That one, the top is completely ripped off. We're looking for the mysterious starfish. Sometimes they cling on walls like this. Moo-moo seemed to have found a seat. This is a cool area, little sitting area. There is a no climbing sign. Last year we were here and we climbed up that. Oh, it's eroded away, it looks like.
Yeah, it looks different.
Oh, yeah. We went there. If you're interested in the video, there's something really cool on the other side. The link will be in the top corner. And you can watch that video. But yeah, you're no longer allowed to go back there. It looks a lot more eroded than it was last year. No climbing! That's a shame because there's a really cool viewpoint over there and something else pretty neat. Moo-moo the rock climber. By Awesome Beach, by Seal Rock. So we have to head back up the path and to the RVs. Oh, look down there. There's a shelter and a teepee made out of driftwood. When you get back to the top of the hillside, the tree-lined path is awesome. I've seen these plants everywhere and I've heard that they might be poisonous. Maybe someone out there knows. The last time I was here, I didn't check out the viewpoint, and so I definitely want to do that this time. Ooh. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, I think that's Seal Rock right there. Or there's two, I don't know. But there looks like a path that you used to be able to walk up on, but they have it blocked off now. What a shame. Bet that would be an awesome view up there. Oh, I see. They're trying to prevent erosion. It says erosion control, please keep out. Will do. Still an awesome view from here. Oh my god, look at that fog that's covering half of the beach down there. Down there is a seal's eye view, but up here we have the bird's eye view. And it is an amazing view. Look at all the birds on the rocks over there. There's a close and personal shot. We made it to Newport and we're here at the local Walmart. We've met some other people here. We have Kitty and her pig Kevin. Danny's here. Kelly and Sophie are here. Jimmy's here. Terry and Scott. There's Panda, myself, and Dana and the family. She's got the kids with her. There's Kelly's rig. Hey, Sophie.
Moo-moo does not like Sophie.
Yes, she does. She likes you more, but she's more of a human dog. She likes humans better
Sophie
than other dogs.
I give you the good stuff. Look at her, so cute.
Cute buildings here. Look, bow wow meow. That's kind of confusing.
Nice.
This is a cute little town.
Oh, I love it. I bet that place Moses really, really cute. Bow wow meow.
Where are we going to anyways? We don't know. We're just gonna aimlessly wander.
Weird is I'm thinking it's that, and I'm thinking the name is changed.
Okay.
I don't see a sharks. Do you?
Okay.
Sharks, though, it's further down.
Ew, that barrel is pooping fish guts into that truck. Ugh. God, my sweet tooth is hurting. There's so much candy here. Just nothing but candy. That is the biggest gummy bear I have ever seen. It's 5 pounds. Oh, and they even have a red one. Chocolate covered one too.
Did you see that?
We came to Ocean Blue Seafood here at Gino's because we couldn't film at the other restaurant. Plus all they had was pasta, and that's it, basically pasta. So I was like, nah, I wanted some fish and chips or something like that. We are here at the port of Newport. Is that right? The port of Newport.
Yeah.
Anyways, I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love y'all out there. Bye for now.
How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit long? I need us to be a little bit high, a little